Alright, what's up people? BigSlim in the building. I saw this video, OmniShaver, a while ago, and I decided to get one. So I contacted the people. They said they'd send me one if I shoot them a testimonial on what I thought about the shaver. So I done prepped my head, and as you see, I got quite a few bit of days hair on my head. You know, the rest is shaving cream. So I'm gonna finish it up here, and we're gonna see exactly what this OmniShaver is all about. Now, me myself, I'm not one for a razor, so when I do this here, I'm gonna be a little careful around my ear area because that's gonna be the sensitive part. So with that said, let me go ahead and rinse my hands off and get this OmniShaver. Oh, where may that be here? The OmniShaver. And let's get it. Let's see what it's all about. I'm gonna warm up this little blade here. Okay. All right. Let's just see what this OmniShaver is all about. Y'all ready? All right. Let's see what it is. Here we go. Pull the skin up a little tight here. Go back and forth. And look at there. It is just gliding through like it's supposed to. Just what any man who's shaving their head would like it to do. Yes. This right here, I can already tell you, I give it 2 thumbs up. I done went through just about half my head, if not more, in less than a minute. And this is my first time using this thing, so I don't have any technique or any method or whatever terminology you're gonna use for this thing here. But it seems like it's doing a hell of a job. Shout out to OmniShaver. Now if you notice, I haven't rinsed this thing not one time. And I am just about done with my head. I don't have no nicks, no cuts, no scrapes, no ouches. None of this, none of that. Now I'm gonna rinse this off because it's getting a little thick there. You know, I had that, according to what other people say, I have that good hair. But nevertheless, again, I just rinsed it off. How long did that take me? And I'm right back to doing what I need to do here. Now, like I said, I may not get it all the first time, but for the amount of time that it's taken me to take this off my head, yeah, this is wonderful. I like this. Okay, what we're gonna do now, I'm not even gonna bother with the mirror and all of that. I'm gonna just go ahead and rinse my head, because the object of this video was to see how fast and how easy this OmniShaver is. This is my first time using it. Like I said, I didn't want to get too close to my ears and cut myself because I'm, you know, not really skilled with a razor. But here's the finished job here. I don't know exactly how much time has went by, but there we go. We got a clean beam in here. For the length of time, OmniShaver, 2 thumbs up.